Hi guys! Welcome to our channel, ABCGrok! Let's come to our video! Welcome kids! Let's learn the big cities of the USA from A to Z. A is for Atlanta.
B is for Boston.
Wow! Look at the beautiful sunny Dallas sky. Come play with Dero, Tria, and Luno.
This is incredible!
Look at how far you can see.
What a beautiful day!
Look over there, everyone! Is that the museum? It looks huge! Let's go explore!
We did it!
Look at our amazing sandcastle.
Hi, everyone! Welcome to Kansas City! It's so beautiful here by the river! Come walk with us! Feel the rhythm of the waves dancing in the sunny days. Miami Beach is the place to be.
Wow, look at the Statue of Liberty.
Hello, New York City!
We're finally here.
The view from the Ferris wheel must be incredible!
And that roller coaster looks so fast.
I want to ride them all! Wow, look at these historic buildings!
They're incredible! And there's the Liberty Bell! I love this city! Hello, everyone! Welcome to Quincy! Playing in the park on a sunny day. Luno, Dero, and Tria love to play. Look how close the mountains are getting!
This is the best hike ever!
I can almost see the city from here.
U is for Urbana!
V is for Virginia Beach.
W is for Washington, D.C.
Y is for Yonkers. Z is for Zion City. Great job, kids! See you next time!
X is for Xenia.
V is for Virginia Beach.
W is for Washington, D.C.